Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I know it's been many years since we made one, but this is my first time doing a hardline custom loop. For the specs in this computer, we got a 13600K and I have a 3070 graphics card, which will be updating to the new 5070 when it's out next year. As far as the cooling, we have two 240 radiators and a 120. And also at the top, I haven't put one yet. We can put another 360 rad in case the cooling is not enough. Got the system built. Let's get started. Alright guys, some of you guys may recognize this computer a little bit. This was built about 7 years ago and I put this on the channel. 4 months ago, I did a custom water cooling loop into this. The computer took about 300 bucks of, used radiators, open box, CPU block, even my 3070 in here I've been testing for about 3-4 months with the water block because I want it to be stable. Even that's used as well from eBay. I kind of took a shot to save money. But we're going to take all the custom water cooling components out of this and strip this so we can migrate it to the new system. All right, coming up next is going to be a build kind of montage of the new system. Let's get started. that is the end of this quick montage on building this PC. You can see we still have a little more left over. We have the temperature readout for the coolant. I have to 3D print a bracket where that'll kind of sit in with this hose. I have a soft tubing running for my drain port. Maybe I'll do a hard line, or I'll figure out some other way to set it up. And the CPU block, as you can see, it's rainbow. It's not white like the rest of the build. So I have some cables coming where you can connect it to the Lee system. Alright, thanks guys for watching, and thank you for being a part of this build. And like I said, it's my first time for hardline, so if you guys have any recommendations, let me know below. Have a good day.